So there are three types of virtual assistant, and if you decided to start your virtual assistant career, choosing the right one for yourself is the first step. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what each one of these three means so that you will be able to pick the right one and focus on it. And the three types of virtual assistant is first, general virtual assistant, then a specialized virtual assistant, and then a niche focus virtual assistant. Let's start with the general virtual assistant. A general virtual assistant is someone who offers general business and personal support, kind of like a personal assistant. If someone is looking for a personal assistant, they are not looking for someone to help them with one or two things. They are looking for someone to help them with everything they are doing. If I hire you to be my personal assistant or a general virtual assistant, like I have a YouTube channel, so you might be helping me sometimes with research, content research. You might be helping me with responding to comment. You might be helping me with basic video editing. I have courses, so you might support me with light customer support things. I have virtual assistant work. I do work for client, so you might assist me with sending invoices to client, things like that. When someone hires you to be their general virtual assistant, you are going to be helping them with a little bit of everything. And that includes things like data entry, calendar management, email management, travel planning, light project management, light video editing, social media management, and most times the focus of a client when they hire a general assistant, they are looking for someone to help save them time. And so if saving time is the main focus, all you need is the basic skills. So this is what a general virtual assistant is. After we explain the next two, I'm going to compare which one is easier to find the client. But now we are going to look at the next one, which is a specialized virtual assistant. A specialized virtual assistant is someone who chooses something and they specialize in it. There is a difference between a specialized virtual assistant and a niche focused virtual assistant. A specialized virtual assistant chooses a service, learn the service, become an expert in the service, and they specialize in it. A good example is bookkeeping. If you know how to do bookkeeping, you are very good at it, you can become a bookkeeping virtual assistant. You see, you specialize in a service, you specialize in knowing how to use some tools and knowing how to perform some type of work. If you choose something like project management, if you become a specialized virtual assistant, a project management virtual assistant, then you are going to know how to use Trello, ClickUp, Asana. You have a high level experience of how to use these tools. You have a high level experience how to manage project. So if you choose a specialized virtual assistant, then you have to choose something, learn it, be exceptionally good at it, and you start offering your services only in that area. You are offering your services to people who need that thing that you learn. So this is a specialized virtual assistant. The next one is a niche focused virtual assistant. A niche focused virtual assistant choose a niche. And a niche is they choose a specific type of people and you are offering your services to those type of people. So you see, you are not choosing a service to learn and specialize in. You are choosing people to offer your services to them. A niche focused virtual assistant might choose real estate and they become a real estate virtual assistant. So you see, real estate industry is not something that you will learn as a virtual assistant, but there are people in the industry and you want to serve them. And if you want to serve people in the real estate industry that make you a real estate virtual assistant, you have to learn everything that a real estate investor or a real estate agent wants. So if you choose a niche, you are choosing people and you will learn what these people need. So you offer it to them. But if you choose a specialization, you are going to choose the services and you learn them. Anyone who needs those services, they will come to you. And both of them really are the same when it comes to how easy or how hard it is to get started. Because you just have to be very good at offering the services that you choose to offer to your client. Whereas as a general virtual assistant, you just need to learn the general online tools. Anything else that you don't know how to do or how to use, you can easily learn on YouTube. But if a client hires you as a specialized virtual assistant or a niche focused virtual assistant, they are going to expect you to be very good at whatever you choose. So if I hire you as a bookkeeping assistant, I will expect you to know how to use bookkeeping platforms really well. I am not looking for someone who know how to do it in a basic level. If you are offering your services to maybe YouTube content creators, when I hire you, I will expect you automatically to know how to do YouTube content research. I will automatically expect you to know how to do maybe YouTube video SEO, all of these kind of things. So in terms of how easy it is or hard to start, it's the same between a specialized virtual assistant and a niche focused virtual assistant. Now let's take a look at which one is easier and which one is harder to find a client. See, one of the major things that is going to make finding a client hard is competition, and there is a lot more competition in general virtual assistant side. So if you choose to offer your services as a general virtual assistant, there is going to be a lot more competition, but it might be the best place for you to start if you are a complete beginner, because if you decide to specialize, then client wants someone who have a very good level of knowledge in what you choose to specialize in. And as a beginner, you probably don't have that high level of knowledge and experience in those things. Start as a general virtual assistant. Learn all the basic things, data entry, email management, all of these basic things. You are learning new things, improving your skills. If you decide you will rather really focus on a specific area to learn maybe something specific, you can do that later. But in the early stage, it's better to learn the basic things and start offering your services in that basic area things. Of course, it is going to be harder for you to find a client, but it's going to be much harder for you to find a client if you choose a specialization or if you choose a niche and you don't have the experience or knowledge in that area or in that niche. So I hope this helps you have a good understanding of the general virtual assistant, a specialized virtual assistant, and a niche focused virtual assistant. Next, you can check out this video and learn how to start creating your portfolio as a virtual assistant. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.